Hi folks, just wanted to let you know my new book, Painting Loose Landscapes in Watercolour by myself, Stephen Cronin. It's available now on Amazon. £14.99 pounds UK, free UK delivery. Crammed it full of step-by-step painting guides, if you can see that. Broke each painting down into about a dozen photographs that I've took. I've got the reference photos on there in a lot of the chapters, just to show you how I've interpreted the photo. Just made it as simple and as straightforward as I possibly could. I really enjoyed making this book. I feel as if each book's just getting a little bit better as I suss out the formatting and whatnot. So these are all the paintings that you can have a go at. So they'd be the first one, and then you can just see right from the very sky all the way through to the end. Managed to get a few little close-ups there as well. I couldn't do that when I was just using frames from the videos in earlier books. This time I've just took proper photographs, much clearer definition, taking you through right to the end of the painting. So that's the next chapter. You can see the photograph I've used on that one, and then starting right at the beginning, taking you all the way through to the finished painting. So there's loads for you to have a go at. So that's Painting Loose Landscapes in Watercolour, available now on Amazon. So check that out if you get the chance. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.